Want to run WhatsApp, Instagram, or mobile games on your PC? I'll show you the safest way to download Play Store apps. No hacking, just a free tool approved by Google. Step 1. Download BlueStacks. Go to google.com. Search BlueStacks. Click the first result, bluestacks.com. Hit Download BlueStacks. Big blue button. Step 2. Install BlueStacks. Run the BlueStacks installer. Click Install now. Default settings work for most. Pause antivirus briefly if installation blocks it. Step 3. Set up Play Store. Open BlueStacks. After installation, sign in with your Google account, same as Android phone. Open Google Play Store from the home screen. Step 4. Download apps. Search any app, example, Instagram. Click Install, just like on your phone. Launch from BlueStacks My Games tab. Now you can use Snapchat on your big screen. Like this trick? Subscribe for more PC Power user guides.